Hi, today we are looking on a classic problem, which is reverse linked list. So we have 1 next 2 next 3, and it should become 3 next 2 next 1. Okay, so well, to do it we need to on each node we need to reassign the next using a temporary variable. For example, on node 2, when we are on node 2, we need to make its next not 3 but 1, and we must do it for each node essentially. I'll show you. Okay, so first of all, let's create a node class. A node class will accept val and next. Okay, and let's also create use wrapper reserved method just for debug purposes to show the to represent the node object as string. So essentially we stringify the current node variable, and if the next exists, we stringified its result too, and the next also casts its value to string. Okay, so our input is head equal node 1, node 2, node 3. Okay, and let's print it. Okay, so it is 1, 2, 3. Good. So let's write our solution. So it's reverse link list. Okay, self. Okay, so now we need current is equal to head, and we need also temporary previous, which will be none, and we loop while current exists. We need to save current next, because we want to it is for the next step. And let's the current next, now let's assign to pref. Let's assign pref to the current next, and now pref becomes current, and current becomes TMP. Okay, in the end we should return pref, because current would be none. Let's so we want a core solution, and the expected result would be 3, 2, 1, right? Let's call it, 3, 2, 1. Good, it works. So now let's debug it. Okay, so okay, we have our list, which is 1, 2, 3. You see node with value 1, next value 2, next value 3. Okay, and the current is equal to the head of the linked list, and pref is none. Okay, let's go into loop. So while current exists, we have a TMP var, and we assign the current next, to it, so the node with value 2. Okay, and current next, we assign pref to the current next. Pref now is none, and so yeah, basically this the node we had the first with value 1. Now you see it is dissociated with another linked list, and its current next is none, and the pref now becomes current. Okay, now current is, you see, it is with node with value 1, and pref is none. But now you see we have the arrow here. Pref now is not with value 1, and current will be TMP, and now TMP is next node value 2. You see, now it is the current is not with value 2. So let's go next iteration. TMP will be current next, which is not with value 3. You see, we have the pointer reassigned, and the current next will be pref, and pref now it is the node with value 1. You see, so a current again is not with value 2, so we want to make node with value 2 next node with value 1. Okay, and you see the link is built, value 2 next value 1. You see, 2 1, the string representation of the linked node list. Okay, so the previous is current now, and the current equal to MB. Okay, so basically we are on the last node of the linked list with value 3. So the TMP is current next, which is none. Okay, and current next, we assign pref to the current next. Pref now is value with a node with value 2. You see, we already linked our linked all nodes of the linked needs, like node with value 3, 2, 1, and you see the string representation is 3 to 1. Okay, yeah, and basically we finish it. You see, as a pref, we have the node with value 3, and current is equal to none, thus we want to return pref. Well, that's it. You see all nodes linked in reverse order. The time complexity of this approach is linear, big O n, because we need to loop through all the nodes, and the space complexity is constant because we don't allocate any additional space. That's it. Thanks for today. Have a great day.